Hello YouTube, hello America, hello the world. This is Eric at FlexPVC.com. Okay, this video is just going to be a real simple video. What we're letting you know is that we do a lot of custom work, a lot of fabricated work, a lot of prototype work. We build manifolds and distributors. We certify them generally up to 125 psi. We can go higher if you need to, but that's generally what most people use. I'm going to intercut this video with several different pictures of different manifolds that we built for people. We built manifolds for Tesla, Boeing, the FBI, Pfizer, Lawrence Livermore, dozens and dozens of universities, lots of big companies. It is a little expensive when you get a custom manifold distributor made, but we can do it, and it's cheaper than doing it out of stainless or aluminum. And for a lot of applications, like anything with salt water, it's worth it. So if you have anything that you need done, it's very important that you send us drawings. It doesn't have to be an engineering drawing. If you've got those, that's great. You can send those as well. You can send CAD files. You can send blueprints, whatever you want. Go to our website, top right corner of the page, you'll see a blue circle with an envelope in it. And that's our email. You just click on that, follow it through. You can send us stuff. If you have any problems, give us a call, 888-782-3539. Or which is Monday through Friday, 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Pacific time. Or send us an email. I will try to get email answered as best I could, as quickly as I can. I generally answer emails 6 days a week, every day except Saturday. And if you are having a manifold done, please have at least a rudimentary drawing, okay? Because a lot of people, when they explain things, on custom stuff, it's really hard. Well, we can't quote anything and we can't price anything or actually do it until we have some sort of drawing. Okay, so you just make a drawing, even if it's rudimentary, and email it to us, or we don't have fax anymore, so you'll have to email it to us. And we'll get back with you as soon as we can, usually just a day or so. And we can usually price those out within the same day. And depending on what you need and the quantity, it's anywhere from a few days to a few weeks. Okay, we built literally hundreds of manifolds for people. We can do it. So if you don't see it on the website and you need something custom, just give us a call. We'll be happy to help you out. And if you think this is a great idea, subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment. Although if it's technical, if you really need to contact us, just contact us directly through email or telephone. Don't leave a comment expecting us to contact you on your project. Okay, make sure you contact us directly. Like the video, subscribe to the video, you know the whole thing. Sorry, I'm supposed to do that on every video, but sometimes I forget. So, thanks for watching. Appreciate it very much. Have a great day, have a great week, have a great life.